It's shown in the Lewis dot structure, which everyone already knows about. And now we're going to find the formal charges. In order to do that, you need to find the number of electrons in each atom and subtract those and half of what is found in each of the electron-bonded pairs.
To determine the formal charges, you must find the formal charge for each individual atom in the compound. So to find the formal charge for carbon, you know that carbon as an atom on its own has 4 valence electrons. And you get that information from the periodic table. So you have 4 valence electrons. And then you can see that it has 4 valence electrons when bonded to the 2 oxygen, because each of the double bonds counts as 1 electron. So you subtract that. And the formal charge for carbon in this compound is 0. As for oxygen, you can see from the periodic table that it has 6 valence electrons. 6, and this one does too. And then you can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you subtract 6 from here. And that formal charge for oxygen is 0 here as well. And on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the formal charge for oxygen on this side too is also 0.
We're going to add up the formal charge the same way we did last time. So for C, we know that they have 4 valence electrons, and it has 4 bonds, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 4 is going to be 0. And then for this oxygen, you will have 6 valence electrons, 2, 4, 6, 7. So 6 minus 7 will be negative 1. And you have the same structure over here for this oxygen. So that will be the same equation. And then for this oxygen, you have 2, 4, 5, 6. So you still have the same 6 valence electrons, minus 6, and 0. So for this one, we can see that the formal charge is not 0, the way it was last time. It's actually negative 2. And that coincides with the negative 2 charge for this ion. So that's actually what we want to see.
Formal charges are used to ensure that Lewis dot structures are shown in the most stable state. For example, with carbon dioxide, this is the most stable state for Lewis dot structure, not this Lewis dot structure. In summary, this is how you determine the formal charge. Valence electrons minus the electrons in the lone pair plus half the electrons in the bond.